Hey guys, how's it going? We have Halloween right around the corner, and so I have not decorated, and so today's plan is to decorate the front of the property. We actually get a ton of trick-or-treaters, and I don't know, I've ran out of time this year. It's just kind of been getting late, and I decided that if I don't make a video about it, it's probably not going to happen. And we get so many trick-or-treaters every year that I have to decorate. So I haven't bought any other pumpkins except for the ones that I bought for that window box that you guys saw. And it's just been a really weird October. It's been hot until very, very recently. And it's a windy day. And so instead of subjecting you guys to me talking a lot, I thought that I would set up the tripod and decorate for the holidays. I mean, I have a couple things out, but Brent just set those out yesterday. So we decided, let's decorate. We get enough trick-or-treaters that we have to do it. And we also pass out full-size candy bars. We're the full-size candy bar house. So we gotta make this place look good. So the plan is to just use what we have. I have not bought a single Halloween decoration. Oh, that's a lie. I bought these pumpkins, but we're calling that for an art project. Let me show you guys these, because these turned out so good. And then we will get to decorating. If you guys saw, not too long ago, Jalen and I did a live video where we painted these pumpkins right here, and then I covered them in chalk. And so I made them so they look like little terracotta pumpkins. I don't love the like bright orange pumpkins, but I thought these were so cute. I had enough paint to like lightly coat everything. In a perfect world, I would have gone through and done 2 coats of paint, but I didn't, so you can see like and this one might have gotten dropped on its forehead. So 2 coats of paint probably is preferred. If you want to see what we used, you'll have to go back and watch the live video, because I don't exactly remember what all I used. And then we also made these pumpkins right here. These are out of paper napkins and Mod Podge. Like you can see, there's part of the napkin texture right there. But Mod Podge and paper napkins, and same with this one right here. And we just went through and like this one, we cut up the little squares off of the napkins and glued those on there, and did the whole bottom and everything. And these have Mod Podge on them, so they definitely need to be like a covered porch area or a inside area. But I think they turned out so cute, and you can use pretty much any paper towels as whatever you want. So these guys are probably going to be like inside pumpkins or like tucked back here pumpkins, just because I don't want any of them to get ruined. And then this is my favorite thing ever. It's a black feathered wreath, and then I have this skeleton hand, okay, that holds it. So yeah, let's finish. Let's get all this done. I gotta stop talking. Not impressed. Your wings look beautiful, ma'am. You look gorgeous. And then this is the bucket of bones. Here is one skeleton. This is what that other guy used to look like. He was full body. And then these are like Dollar Tree skeletons that I bought like 7-8 years ago. Dollar Tree. And then lots of foam skeletons and plastic ones. These actually used to be lights, but the lights broke, so I just popped the heads off of them. And now we shove them on bamboo stakes. He's had a rough life. Afterlife. Okay, Brent and I got it all done. I will show you guys this evening what all it looks like, but I'm not mad at it. For not buying a single outdoor Halloween decoration, it's pretty good. So we'll come back in this evening when everything is lit up because it's gonna look way better. All right, we're gonna grab 2 pumpkins really quick. We're gonna get our carving pumpkins. So we actually have a ton of pumpkin patches here in this area, and we're gonna go to another one here in a couple days. But this one is Julia's, and they have some of the coolest and the largest pumpkins. I always love these colored ones. These are the like stacker ones. Look at these. Aren't those so cool? Look at how big they are. They're huge. They're big pumpkins. These blue ones are really pretty. That is a cool pumpkin. There's a whole bunch of them. Oh, these ones got little spots on them. Aren't those fun? Those are so cool. I really like them. Also, really like these big ones. They have about 1 million pumpkins left. So if you are local, come check out Julia's fruit stand. They have so many pumpkins in here.
That one, it's kind of like half and half.
That one? Brent says this one's his favorite. He likes these striped ones. I didn't even notice these. Isn't that cool? Okay, these ones might be my favorite. They look like little mushroom guys. Aren't those so cute? I really like them. Look at, I think they're so cute. It's like the cutest pumpkin. Oh. Is this gonna be your carving pumpkin?
This is gonna be my carving pumpkin.
Okay. How much is away? What do you guess?
1,400 pounds.
I was gonna say 12. 1389.
How much did I say?
You said 15,000 pounds.
No, I didn't.
Okay, like I love these ones and their color and like how they have like a little bit of warts, but look at, oh my gosh, that's awful. That's way too much. These ones are fine. That's not much. Yeah. There he goes with this little pumpkin. I cannot find the pumpkin that I want. We're trying to both find a good carving pumpkin and not just do like the typical like orange jack-o'-lanterns. We're trying to just do something a little bit different. We usually spend a couple hours carving a pumpkin. That one's not bad. It's a little, I don't know. We spend a very long time carving pumpkins, actually. Well, I spend a very long time carving pumpkins. Let's see. All right, it is now the very end of the day. Let's go over it. Halloween decorations. I love decorating for Halloween, and I think the witch this year might be my favorite up on the house. Usually we put her over on the arbor, but I think this might be better. I think it actually might be better if we get a bigger one for next year. I think that's gonna be perfect. If we got like, have you guys seen those like 10-foot tall ones? Could you imagine? Or ones that are like the 8-foot wide ones, something like wide to go up there. I think that would be really cool. And then putting the witch back up there. So next year, I think I want to get just one more simple blow up. I do wish that I had enough of like the orange and purple lights to wrap the trees in purple. I don't. So I really wanted to make sure to light up more of this side. Usually this side of the property is not lit up. And so I just needed to add something over there because it's usually very heavy right here. And so I just kind of extended lights out and then put the lights in the window. And then Ashley, our next door neighbor, she gave us this thing that projects on the wall. So it's back here behind the tree. And then I've got these little projectors that go right here. And I was thinking about possibly moving it because I've got a plug there. So sticking it there so it shines on the wall right there on that side. I think that might be better. Actually, let's do that really, really quickly. That's better. That is so much better. Very balanced now. I still do think something here, taller one next year there, and the witch next year up there, because it was really cool to have the witch be the like part that you had to walk under. It was really, really cool, but I do think that that's not too shabby. So, oh, here comes Brent. He's bringing out the trash cans. Oh, nope, he's shutting the gate. We've got the lights up and everything, and like I said, next year I'll probably order a few more lights and wrap these in lights. And then you come through here, we have our little skeleton to greet you at the gate, and we have our micro little pumpkin wall here, scary pumpkins, and our pumpkin inflatable, which usually that is right here and takes up the wall space there, and the spiders are over there. But I've got the lavender hedge there, so I couldn't do that. We have our small little cemetery lined with Christmas lights. And then we've got a few heads on stakes. We also shoved some lights inside a couple of the skulls there, and I think that made it so they lit up a little better. It would be nice if I could figure out how to do lights inside those. Maybe I could wrap lights up the poles. Maybe one year I'll be more prepared for Halloween. I feel like it always sneaks up on me. The spider wall there, I think I'm going to order a strobe light and have it so that flashes right there. And then I do possibly want to get like some bats or something like that for the window. I think that that would be cool. Or maybe even some spider cutouts to go with the spider theme. And then I love pumpkins. And the painted pumpkins look so creepy. They look awful. They look like skin. So I think that they definitely need a second coat of paint. Isn't this awful? It's so gross. It really, really grosses me out. Yeah, so that's gonna need some help next year. We have our scary pumpkin there. We do have a jumping spider, and we also have a fog machine, so we usually blow fog across this. This giant skeleton right here used to be a like fog thing, but the fog rarely, like, it doesn't come out all the way, so it's just not worth it. And then we have this really cool talking pumpkin. He speaks and sings and does all kinds of things. I just have the volume off because he's a little loud, so I have the volume off, but he's really, really cute, and the kids really like it. And then we have our two pumpkins there that are our carving ones. Brent got the variegated one, and I got a giant blue one. So we're gonna just like mix it up this year and do different pumpkins. Oh, I forgot to show you. I have this Enter If You Dare welcome mat, and my feathered wreath that you guys saw me put up, and our porch sign. And that's it. That is everything. So one last look here. That's not too bad. I'm very happy that I moved that to this side. I think that's way better. It would be a lot cooler if I had a 12-foot long blow up there. Next year. There's always next year. I'm trying to save my money because I want to buy, for Christmas time, there's a 12-foot tall reindeer. It's $300, and I really want to get it. It's from At Home. It is the coolest thing ever. And yeah, 12-foot tall reindeer blow up. So I'm trying to convince Brent to let me buy it. All right, you guys, and that is going to be it for this video. It looks great. I'm very, very pleased with it. We got to pick up our pumpkins today. And this year we decided to not just do those traditional pumpkins. We decided to do something a little different. So we're going ahead and doing like more decorative pumpkins, which it'll be interesting. I will give you guys an update on that. I think the witch on the roof is my favorite part. Last year we had the witch on top of the arbor, and now I'm thinking that we need maybe one more blow up. I'm not the biggest like blow up fan, but we have two of them. So we've got the pumpkin that's on the porch and the witch there, and I think that we just need like one more to like go in this corner right here, like in the lawn. I saw a 20-foot tall one by that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for visiting our garden and letting me decorate for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.